channel. We will show you how to unbox Samsung, Apple, iPad Pro, Samsung, iPad. Look, Apple, Samsung, iPad Pro. This for it. My name is Fatima Ismail RIDA. My channel's name is FIR Fatima Ismail RIDA. And you know, another time we give channel fee. No? Yes. This is Yestel is my brother. He's taking video. Yes, I'm taking his video. See? So nice mobile. Wow. Dada. Where is it? Hey, Aman. This is all the mobile his brother make. No? Yes. His big brother, my also. Yes. Did you want to see real mobile? This one, shiny real mobile. No? Yes. My brother make today this phone. No? Yes. Look at another thing. This is the camera. This is the yes. Put it aside. Fingerprint also. For me, playing. Favorite mobile is this one. Tomorrow make my brother big. Then we will show you this is real mobile. Like real? Yes. We take iPhone, not Samsung. Whoa, iPhone. Yes, iPhone. Whoa, it started. Yes, like real. Yes. Wow. Kitty cat. She is playing kitty cat. His birthday. Wow. I don't play. Camera. Go there. Oh, I take a food. In the gallery. See? She's photo. So nice. Wow. What? What? My sister, big brother is editing. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow. Oh, I think she's playing PUBG. Hello. Hello. What are you doing? Hold. Okay. Add all right. Big brother is editing video. Okay, bye. He's playing scissor one. Winning. Yes. Yes, that's two. Oh. Not scissor one. Yes. Yes. Dum. He win it. Yay. This one. Trucky. You have to go in finish line. I play this so much. Yes, win! Let's go. He can't find picture, that's why she draw like this. See? I think this is Mario. The game and Golden and Kitty Cat. Yes. I don't need. Oh. He came again. YouTube. So funny face. Whoa. I don't need video. Yeah. She wins the race. See? Yahoo! Yes, yes. Then go to Samsung. Okay.